matcha secured. Anyang. And, sorry. Baked goods, important ang baked goods also secured. Yan lang. Ayan. Feature mo na yung matcha mo. Hello! Hindi ko na na-videohan na nag-dinner kami ni Abby. So, nasa dessert na lang. Anyo! Let's go! First time
Do you
playing
need a
kami.
hand model?
May board game in the front. No, wait lang. If one werewolf dies, they lose, right?
Remember
We
So
that.
have
instead of
moved
going to copy and
to-
every
No, I will attack you next. Remember that.
Wait lang, it's Kevin's
It's our first
You don't have to
First.
for this round.
first game! Wow!
That's 90.
Good morning! Happy Monday! I was gonna say it's been a while, pero feeling ko nag-yap naman ako nung just not that this weekend. But last weekend, I think I did a little bit. Right? Anyway, happy Monday! I don't know, is it too pale or is it just the lighting? I don't know. What did I do since the last time I posted? It was the first time I played Mahjong. Okay, we played Mahjong again, but with my high school friends this time. But still, mostly werewolf, I would like to say. So one night, Ultimate Werewolf, really, cost per use has been fully lowered since I bought that thing. So feeling ko sulit naman na siya. And then, what happened? So yeah, it was another social weekend for me. And it's gonna be another social weekend since there's gonna be a wedding at the end. So that's probably gonna be the bulk of the videos for this week. So yon. What else? And yesterday I just met up with my cousins. We ate at Lao Taipei. I realized I ate dinner at Lao Taipei for twice in a row. Because we ordered in Saturday night and then we ate there at Sunday because my cousins wanted dumplings. Or dim sum. Anyway. Yun lang. So happy Monday. I hope everyone has a good week. Fighting. Annyeong. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. This angle looks weird. No, your face is just puffy, girl. Wait ka kuya. I am in my right lane. Ba't kasi singit? Okay. Oh no. It's probably one of those days where head empty, but ayun. What was I gonna say? Why did I start this? Cause I'm late. Well, but then kasi coding ako. But anyway, I'm still late. And what was I gonna say pa? I'm kind of scared. I told you about there's a wedding this weekend and I ordered a dress and my dress hasn't arrived yet. Or more of it's for pickup, and I went to the place where I'm supposed to pick it up yesterday and they said it's supposed to be ready tomorrow or by Thursday. So that seems cutting it close. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully it is available by later. If not, then I will just look for another dress by Thursday. I don't know. I really haven't planned that out well. But to be fair, I did time the time when I ordered it to the time that it's supposed to be ready. It was supposed to be ready yesterday. So, anyway, the 1 day delay isn't gonna, cause too much trouble. But I just hope they follow through. What else? I saw that one of my favorite white boy musicians, Mr. Scott Hellman, has some new music coming. So I'm so excited for that. His preview sounded really nice and it was really upbeat. And I love all of his melancholy, sad, sweet, romantic songs, but also an upbeat song from him is also always a banger. So I'm looking forward to that. That is such Sorry, there is a truck. A guy is like half naked. Like that's not supposed. That's wrong. Maybe I'm just a prude. Okay, it really is one of those days. Let's see how she fares through the rest of the day. That's all. That's all. What the hell was I talking about? Pagsuklay ako, di ba? Hello, good morning.
Morning!
Siya, fresh na siya. Ako, nakapag-makeup na siya and everything. Meanwhile, ako, wow! Okay.
Okay, we're waiting for our breakfast.
Yes, thank you. Thank you for supplying words kasi wala na akong words. Ayun lang. See you with more people later.
See you! With more...
Hello! Happy Saturday! And happy wedding day to Miss Vivienne! Update, my dress did arrive. Or at least, it got finished. No, Thursday na yun. No, Wednesday. Because I got sick on Thursday. That was crazy. I was so scared that I wasn't gonna get better so quickly. But yeah, I'm feeling so much better now. And yeah, on the way to the church, from the hotel, I just saw the bridesmaids. And they're all together. They're just waiting for their van. I think the ceremony was supposed to start like 15 minutes ago. But yeah, everyone is still in the hotel. Or at least the main people. Alright. See you there.
And now, let's request everyone to kindly get up.
Hi! Salamat! Thank you for coming! Hi! Shit! Ayan ate! Nakikitaan lang po kami, sorry. Yes, kleptocrats is such a yummy term. Hello, it's good afternoon already. Oh my god, my voice. Okay, wala akong closing sa vlog. The rest of whatever I filmed, I don't even remember what was the last thing I filmed. Your girl got sick for 3 days halos. I mean, feeling ko it was a little bit more of that kasi nung Friday, I don't know, kahapon, I don't know. I was just powering through it. And ayun, I feel a lot better now, pero sobrang wow. I was horizontal for most of Tuesday to Thursday. God, maybe my immune system isn't as strong as it was before. But alas, need natin kumain, need natin gumawa ng chores. Kasi hindi tayo nag-contractor. Naiyak ako. Okay. Anyway, ayun lang. God, hindi ko talaga alam. I mean, I have proper meds and everything, pero that came out of nowhere. It did not come out of nowhere. I went to a wedding, as you would have seen, and then a lot of people were sick there too, I think. Pero yan. Anyway, akala ko magpa-power through lang ako, but yeah. Ayun. So there's that. So enjoy whatever of the clips that I did film on. Because I think I filmed that much because I wanted to respect Viel's ask for it to be an off-cam wedding. I had a few clips there, here and there. I mean, I want to remember her walking down the aisle, diba? Ayun lang naman. Fighting friends. Oh, anyway, off to do some groceries. See you next time. I will park now.